Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this twist into my hair. Honestly guys, this is not that heavy. I was thinking it was going to be heavy. So this is the L I'm using. I wanted to do this tie, but I didn't know if it was going to, like if I'm going to manage it very well. So I decided to go for a bigger twist instead. And I'm almost done. I only had 4 more to go, so it's been taking me the whole day. So let's dive right in. I only have 4 more to go, so I'm just gonna show you just one, how I install it in my hair. So this is what I'm gonna be using. Okay, so let's get it done. And I'm just gonna twist it a little bit tighter so it goes into my hair. So I've already installed one in, and this one is a little bit thick, so I'm just gonna take a little bit out of it. And yeah, so now it's good to shoot in, and just go dive right in there again. So okay, so you want to make sure they are the same length, and because of this I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it to let it stay equal. So now that we're done with this section, we want to divide it into two, and this is my natural hair, so I'm gonna divide my natural hair into two like this, and then I'm just gonna go like that. So yeah. So done, and this is how it looks after. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna show you the end results after.